Most prisoners try to reduce their sentence. Robert Brock tried something much more ambitious. He sued himself for $5 million. Not metaphorically, literally. He claimed he violated his own civil rights and wanted the government to pay him for it, since he was the ward of the state. And somehow, to our surprise, this was not even the weirdest thing Robert would file in court. Before becoming Virginia's most exhausting inmate, Robert was serving 23 years for breaking into storage units with 2 accomplices in 1993. The group broke into multiple units and attempted several more. Apparently, they treated criminal charges like a loyalty rewards program. Then Robert had an incredible realization. He claimed drinking alcohol violated his religious beliefs, meaning he had technically committed a civil rights violation against himself. And because he was now a ward of the state, he argued Virginia should pay the $5 million on his behalf, which is the legal equivalent of billing the government after getting destroyed in demon lobbies. The judge described Robert's lawsuit as an innovative approach to civil rights litigation, which is judge language for, "What on earth did I just read?" But Robert didn't stop, not even slightly. From 1995 to 1996, he filed 29 appeals. At this point, court clerks probably heard his name and immediately developed stress headaches. Robert complained about prison food, coffee prices, art supplies, emotional stress, and basically every inconvenience short of bad weather. He even claimed prison staff were poisoning him because pancake syrup contained an ingredient also found in antifreeze. Which is technically true, but so is water. Then Robert tried suing the very judges who rejected his previous lawsuits. Because clearly the problem couldn't possibly be Robert. The courts finally got tired of the non-stop nonsense and forced Robert to get permission before filing new complaints. So naturally, Robert started filing lawsuits in different courts instead, and you thought your wife argued a lot. The judges finally snapped in 1996 and fined him $500 for wasting everyone's time with what was essentially legal fan fiction. They also banned Robert from filing more appeals unless a judge approved them first, which is basically the legal system installing parental controls. And somehow, after all of this, Robert still believed he was the victim in the situation. So the next time you waste 6 straight hours grinding old-school RuneScape instead of being productive, just remember, Robert spent years grinding lawsuits with significantly worse rewards. Subscribe for more bizarre, real legal disasters, and comment which case you'll like to see next.